Alan Ross Transport. Ross Transport's been around since 1975. The business was founded in the 70s by my parents, Reg and Francis, who've turned it into family orientated, going to the fourth generation now. I've been involved in the business the whole time, and I'm here till the day I die. I can't see me doing any other thing. We have approximately 65, 67 trucks, 120, 130 trailers. We have a mix of container, extendable, B-doubles, and drop decks. Freighter trailers are made in Australia. They are the best product, and the association of the people we've had, whether it be SX trailers or Maxi Trans now, we've always got someone to talk to. I've got 1975 model over here, an 80 model, 93 model, 2000, 2017. All in excellent condition, as you can see. And never really ever let us down. I have a new set of torque liners coming to go on a new Kenworth in the next few months. The gentleman who's getting it has got, honestly, the cleanest truck in Australia. He runs a set of freighter trailers now. It's going to be quite a unique paint job. When we're custom building a trailer, the variety of options are second to none on a freighter trailer. And I'll have to say that the look of freighter is probably the best looking trailer on the highway and in the industry. Their weight, they're one of the lightest products I've come across. I have tried other products over the years, and every time it's usually a one-off, and I come straight back to freighter. I have 6 mechanics, 5 apprentices, a painter, a welder. So if one of the old trailers need rebuilding, suspension-wise, we just do it in-house. And still can get all genuine parts off freighter for the oldest of trailers here. Probably only one thing I want to get in here is that Ross Transport is only as good as the people we employ. You know, we do rely on the people we employ to make us look good and come out shining. And I do have a great deal of people that I admire and are friends with that work for me. Well, freighter's probably the longest business that we have ever been associated with. It's our 46th year of business this year. I think we bought our first freighter in about 1977, unpainted, no wheels and tyres to keep costs down. We have continued our association right through till 2021 and probably going to continue it a lot longer.